Good morning, viewers. I'm Aldi Maulana from Kompas TV Headline News, bringing you the latest news for today. Explosion and the fire 4 times around the Margomulyo gas situation. An explosion and the fire broke out near a public gas situation in the Margomulyo area, Tandes, Surabaya, East Java on Sunday, January 24 night. As a result of this explosion, a number of residents around the gas situation panicked in the order to exit under several things. All portal station activities were stopped, including the closure of traffic flow in the front of the gas station. Until now, related parties are still investigating the exact cause of the explosion and the fire. There were not fatalities in the incident. As of the Monday, January 25 in the morning, a number of related parties, including the police, fire department, Pertamina, and the state gas company, are still investigating the exact cause of the explosions. The firefighters continue to cool down the fire. That's all the news for today. Check this out at thekompastv.com for the latest update. I'm Aldi Maulana. Thanks for watching and have a great day.